In question B, so similar idea, right? The giveaway that we use in squeeze theorem is that we have some function, g of x, that we want to find the limit of. We don't know what g of x is, right? Again, kind of indicator that squeeze theorem is probably in play. And it's bound, right? The fact that g of x is between two other functions means that probably squeeze theorem going on. So let me rewrite this first, right? Because I know what f of x is equal to. Negative x minus 2 squared plus 5. There's our f of x. G of x is going to be bigger than that. And g of x is also going to be less than or equal to h of x, which is x minus 2 squared, x plus 3 plus 5. And this holds at least when x is greater than or equal to -4. So, hey, maybe it happens in other spots where one function is less than the other, but whenever x is greater than -4, this holds, which is important to us because we care about what happens as x approaches positive 2. All right, so then now, since we have our bounds on our function, let's take a limit of everything, right? So in essence, I'm taking the limit as x approaches 2 of this inequality. So I can, in a sense, distribute this limit to everything. So we'd have the limit as x approaches 2 of our f of x function. Limits do not change the inequality sign. So I have the limit as x approaches 2 of g of x, whatever that function is, and the limit as x approaches 2 of our h of x function here. So now we can actually use our substitution rule to take this limit. I'm going to plug in a 2 here. I'm going to plug in a 2 here. And we're going to end up with, this is going to be 2 minus 2 squared. So that's going to be 0. So -0 is still 0. 0 plus 5. So this limit evaluates out to 5. On the right side, I have the same thing. 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 squared is 0. 2 plus 5, 2 plus 3 is 5. 0 times 5 is 0. So this side is also just going to be equal to 5. So this middle limit is being squeezed between two 5s. So therefore, by the squeeze theorem, the limit of g of x as x approaches 2 must also be 5. So we just kind of formalize that by saying, so the limit, or by the squeeze theorem, with all of that resulting work, the limit as x approaches 2 of g of x equals 5. Again, these are ones where we're just manipulating. This is basically the easiest way that we can see those sorts of questions. The next page is going to have the difficult ones where we build our functions.